Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial, how to turn a PDF into an Excel file in 2025. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone dealing with data, this skill will save you tons of time and effort. PDFs are great for sharing documents, but when you need to edit or analyze the data inside, Excel is your best friend. By the end of this video, you'll be converting files like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need a reliable tool. In 2025, we're spoiled for choices, but I'll walk you through using Google Drive because it's free, easy, and accessible to everyone. Start by opening Google Drive on your computer or via the web app. If you don't have a Google account, sign up quickly, it's straightforward. Step 1. Upload your PDF file. Click on the New button, select File Upload, and choose your PDF from your device. Once it's uploaded, right-click on the file in Google Drive and select Open with, then, Google Sheets. This will automatically convert the PDF into a spreadsheet format. Isn't that cool? Step 2. Review and edit. Google Sheets might not get everything perfect, especially with complex tables, so take a moment to check the data. You can manually adjust cells, fix any formatting issues, or use the Find and Replace tool to clean things up. For better accuracy, ensure your PDF has clear tables and text. Avoid scanned images if possible. Step 3. Download as Excel. Once you're happy with the conversion, go to File, greater than, Download, greater than, Microsoft Excel, XLSX. Save it to your computer, and you're done. If you prefer other tools like Adobe Acrobat or online converters such as SmallPDF, the process is similar. Just upload, convert, and download. A quick tip. Always back up your original PDF before converting, and double-check for any data loss. In 2025, with AI-powered tools, conversions are getting smarter, but it's good to verify. There you have it. Turning a PDF into Excel is easier than ever. Give it a try on your next project and let me know in the comments how it goes. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.